operation are given in one example. Let's solve one more example related to that. So here first, -5 minus 48 divide -16 plus -2 multiply 6. So as we apply the Demar's property first, find is there any operation with the division? Yes. You can see here two numbers are there with the division. So first perform the division of that. If you perform the division, -48 minus 16, so it is 3, but plus 3. Plus, now multiply this. So let's multiply the next step. So -5. Now after division there is a multiplication. So -3 plus 2 6 are 12, but -12. Why? Because one negative number, so it is -3. Now -5 -3 plus minus. Now -3 -5 -3 is -8. -8 -12 is -3. So this is our answer. Now next, 36 divide 6. That is 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is our answer. Whenever there is a division first, then perform the division. After division there is a multiplication. After multiplication perform the addition, and at the last perform the subtraction. So now here 120 minus 20 divide 4. So what operation we perform first? Division. -20 plus 4. -20 plus 4 is 20 divide 4 is 5. Minus is there, so we write -5 because one negative sign is, so -5. Now 120 minus 5 is 150. Now next one, fourth, 24 plus 15 divide 3. So first of all we perform the division. So 24 plus 15 divide 3 is 5. 5 is 15. Now 24 plus 5 is 29. Now next one, here bracket is given. So before division, if there is a bracket, then solve bracket first. So 32, 3 5s are 15. So -15 is there, plus 4. Now -15 plus 4. So -11, because one negative, one positive, subtraction. 15 minus 4 is 11. Bigger number is minus, so it is -15, so -11. Now again perform the subtraction, so it is 21. Clear? Now next, example 6. 3 minus 5 minus 6 divide 3. So again there is a division of -6 divide 3. So -6 divide 3 will give 2. That is -2, because -6 divide 3 is -2. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Clear? Now again 21 minus 12 divide 3 multiply 2. So again perform the division first. So here division. Now -12 divide 3. -12 divide 3 is 4. But it is minus because 12 is minus. So -4 multiply 2. Now perform the multiply. So 21 minus 8. Now perform the subtraction of 21 minus 8. So it will give 30. Now next, 28 minus 5 multiply 6 plus 2. Okay, so again you can see here multiplication is there. So first of all we will multiply 28. 5 6 are 30, but 5 is minus, so it is minus 30 plus. Now minus 30 plus 2. That is minus 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. Now 9. Now 9 minus 2 plus minus 8 divide minus 2. So here division is there. So first of all simplify the division. Minus 8 divide minus 4. 8 divide 4 is 4 2s are 8. So answer is 2. It is positive or negative? Positive, because both are negative. Minus minus sign will be cancelled out. But if you perform like this, so it is 2 plus. So plus minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Now next, minus 20 multiply minus 1 plus minus 20 plus 7. Divide 7. So here division is there. So perform division first. Minus 20 multiply minus 1 plus. Answer is minus 4. 7 4s are 20. So answer is here minus 4. Now perform the multiplication. So here multiply. Minus 20 minus 1. 20 ones are 20 and minus minus plus. Plus minus 4. So here 20 minus 4 is 60. This for example you need to solve in homework. Now let's take some more example. So here first 3 minus 5 minus 6 divide 3. So as I told you that whenever there is a division, perform division first. So 6 divide 3. 6 divide 3, that is minus 2 because here minus is given. Now 3 bracket is given, so 5 minus 3 is 3. Answer is 6. Now next one, minus 25 plus 14 divide 5 minus 3. So here bracket is given, so first solve the bracket. Whenever there is a bracket, first we need to solve the bracket. So minus 25 plus 14. 5 minus 2, 3 is 2. Now division is there. So perform division. 14 divided 2, 7. Now 1 negative, 1 positive. So here perform the subtraction. You will get 18. But minus 18 because bigger number is minus 18. Now next, here brackets are given. So first of all we simplify the inside bracket. Inner bracket is 5 plus 26. Now inner bracket first we need to solve. So 28 minus 29 minus 7 is 22. We solve this. So now again solve this inner bracket. So 27 minus 5 plus 28 minus 22, that is 6. Now we have only this bracket. 5 plus 6, that is minus 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now 27 minus 11 is 16. Okay, so this way you can solve. First of all solve the inner bracket. 29 minus 7 is 22. Now then this bracket we have 28 minus 22 is 6. Now we have this bigger bracket. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 27 minus 11 is 16. Okay. Now next, 48 minus 18 minus, inside the bracket 16 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1. Here bar is given, bracket is open. So whenever this kind of bar is given, first solve the bar. Okay. So 48 minus 18, remaining numbers terms are same 5. 4 minus 1 is 3, so it is minus 3. Now 48 minus, here bar is on 4 minus 1, so we perform 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now 18 minus 16, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now 48 minus 18 minus 16 minus 2 is 14. Now 18 minus 14, so that is 14. 18 minus 14 is 4. Now 48 minus 4 is 14. Clear? Now next. Now question number 5, simplify 222 minus 1 by 3 inside the bracket, curly bracket, 42 plus 56 minus 8 plus 9. Here bar is given on 8 plus 9, bracket, small bracket is over, curly bracket is over, plus 108 and box bracket. Now, first of all, where we need to start? First, whenever the bar is given. So, first 1/3, remaining numbers are as it is. 8 plus 9. So, here bar is on 8 plus 9, not minus 8 plus 9. So, first of all, we perform 8 plus 9, that is 70. Plus 108. Okay. Now, then smaller bracket first need to simplify. So here this bracket is inside the bracket. So we simplify that one first. So that is 39. 56 minus 17 is 39. Now, again, simplify this inside the bracket. So, we have 42 plus 39 is 81 plus 108 as it is. Now, perform the division of this. So you will get 27 plus 10. Now 222 minus, add this, 135. Now 222 minus 135 will give 87. Now let's solve example 6, that is 39 minus inside the bracket 24 minus 17 minus 9 minus 3 bar is given. All three brackets are open. So first of all I told you that bar solve first. So 39 minus 23 minus 17, 9 minus 3 is 6, so it is minus 6. Now 17 minus 6, that is inner bracket. So first solve inner bracket. 17 minus 6 is 11. Now 23 minus 11 will give 23 minus 11 gives 8. Now 39 minus 8 is 31. Now next one, 118 minus 121 divide 11 multiply 11 minus 4 minus 3 minus 9 minus 2 brackets are. So here first of all we solve this first. There is also bracket, so solve this bracket first. 11 into 11, 121 minus 4 as it is, divide. Inside the bracket we have 3, 9 minus 2 is 7. Now again we have bracket this. Remaining terms as it is. 3 minus 7 is minus 4, so we write minus 4 here. Now perform the division first. That is 1 minus plus 4 minus plus 4. 118 minus 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Now 118 minus 9 is 109. Three examples are given. So first is 27 minus inside the bracket 38 minus 46 minus 15 minus 13 minus 2. So here bar is given on 13 minus 2. So first solve this. 13 minus 2, 11. Then 15 minus 11, solve that. Then 46 minus whatever answer is getting for this bracket, you need to subtract and subtract minus 38 and then 27. So same here, 945 minus 38 minus inside the bracket 60 divide 3 minus 6 minus 9 divide 3 minus 3. Here no bar is given. So whenever there is a division, first solve the division inside the bracket. So first solve this one. then this bracket, then perform this division and this one. Okay. Now next, here 22 minus 1 by 4 inside the bracket minus 5 minus 48 divides minus 16. So here division is given, so first solve the division, then subtraction and then divide and then after 22. Okay, so these answers are given for these three questions.